Hello, little bunnies! Welcome to the final part of our Easter special. It's an excellent day for coloring. Today, we're filling up this lovely Easter basket. We have 6 bright, springtime colors to use. The basket is mostly marked with a 3, so we need orange for the classic wicker look. Carefully fill in all the woven sections marked with 3. Let's move to the rim and base band of the basket, marked with a 2. This should be colored gray. Now for the fun part, the decorated eggs and the big bow. The large ribbon tied at the top is covered in one for pink. Fill those bow sections with pink. And now for yellow. The pink and yellow makes it look beautiful and bright. Let's finish the background. The area right around the basket, like the handle and the sides, are 5, which is green. Fill in all those small sections surrounding the basket and the eggs. This makes it look like the basket is sitting in fresh spring grass. Finally, we color the rest of the background. The majority of the background and the sky marked with a 6. We will color sky blue, which creates a nice contrasting surface. And that's our beautiful Easter basket, all ready for the holiday. Those pink and yellow eggs look ready for an egg hunt. What's your favorite thing about Easter? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun coloring adventures. Happy coloring!